Hello viewers, today I will review tempered glass screen protector compatible with Apple Watch, which is a very good product. So, to know the details about the product, we have to watch this complete video. Please like this video and share it with your friends. To get more videos, subscribe to our channel, and keep the notification bell on. Without delay, let's get started. The product is a unique Cook's Standard Classic Misxi 2-pack hard PC case Apple Watch. This Apple Watch fits precisely, cutouts line up perfectly. Easy to install, snap-in design of the Apple Watch case is very easy to install. Tempered glass screen protector compatible with Apple Watch, ultra-thin scratch-resistant overall protective cover for iWatch, transparent. Application, compatible with Apple Watch Series 8, Series 7 41mm. Anti-shock and anti-fall, made of PC material and built-in tempered glass, this case covers the full front and curved edges of the watch and gives your iWatch full protection. The touching of the screen protector is responsive, giving you a bare metal touch. Kindly tip: these covers don't support while swimming because the water will get trapped underneath the cases. If you forget to take it off, you can wipe it out with a cloth or wipes. Misxi 2-pack hard PC case with tempered glass screen protector compatible with Apple Watch. Special feature: touch sensitive, anti-shatter, matte finish, scratch resistant, heavy duty protection, lightweight, scratch resistant, screen protector, wireless charging compatible, sensitive touch, shock proof. These screen protectors are really nice. I think you're absolutely satisfied with this Apple Watch Series 8 Series 7. There were a lot of choices and I am certain we made the best one. They not only look nice but so far Misxi 2-pack hard PC case with tempered glass screen protector compatible. Highly recommend. The product looks beautiful. The description sounds wonderful. Excellent. It can be installed directly without taking off the watch strap. It is actually very simple. I used the same technique an Apple Store worker showed me to remove tight iPhone cases.
Get more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and keep the notification bell on. If you like the video, please give a like and give your valuable comment in the comment box of this video.
For more details visit now, Amazon.com, link in the description. Thanks for watching.